to all the students of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Government College, Bhilara. Students, today we are going to study another very beautiful poem, The Lamb, written by William Blake. William Blake was born in 1757, died in 1827, and this present poem that which we are going to study is taken from his collection Songs of Innocence, written in and published in 1789. This is very simple poem and also a pastoral kind of poem, because its background is pastoral, natural background, greenery, forest are shown there, and there are two characters, out of which only one speaks to another. There is religious tone in this poem also. This poem is about the purity, simplicity, meekness, happiness, joy and tenderness. This poem assures us that this world is full of joy, happiness and security, which we are provided with. And who provide these things to us? God. So here God, Christ provide us all these things, and that is why all the creatures on this earth are happy and they get rejoiced. So first of all, actually this poem consists of two stanzas, but today we shall study only the first stanza, only one stanza. And what is the meaning of this stanza? First of all, I repeat, I recite it. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and bid thee feed by the stream o'er the mead. Gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing, wholly bright. Gave thee such a tender voice, making all wail rejoice. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? These lines are some faded away and maybe not clearly visible to you, so you can take the print of or the poem in front of you for your better understanding. In these lines the poet says, little lamb एक छोटा मेमना होता है, एंड जो बच्चा है वो उस मेमने से क्या सवाल करता है? हु मेड दी? हु मेड दी? हाउ वर यू क्रिएटेड? Dost thou know who made thee? And then he repeats. The child knows its answer, yet he repeats the same questions to the lamb. Gave thee life. Who gave thee life? तुम्हारा जीवन ये कहाँ से मिला? And bid thee feed. और जो तुम भोजन कर रहे हो, ये भोजन तुम्हें कौन खिला रहा है? कौन इसको तुम्हें जो है सब प्रोवाइड करवा रहा है? By the stream over the mead. और इस पानी की जो स्ट्रीम, जो छोटी जो नदी है, उसके किनारे जो तुम पानी पी रहे हो, भोजन कर रहे हो, ये पानी पीना, ये पानी, ये भोजन तुम्हें किसने प्रोवाइड करवाया है? और हु परमिटेड यू? तुम्हें ये किसने अनुमति दी है कि तुम यहाँ पर पानी पियो और भोजन करो? Gave the clothing of delight and you are very happy, full of delight. तुम बड़े खुश नजर आ रहे हो, तो ये जो तुम्हारे शरीर के ऊपर जो खुशी का आवरण है, ये आवरण तुम्हें किसने दिया? Lamb doesn't know, but the child knows. And when we ask someone question, though we know the answer, then such kind of questions are called rhetoric questions. वैसे ऐसे पर्सन जो हम किसी से पूछते हैं और उसका उत्तर हमें पहले से ही पता है, उसको हम rhetoric question कहते हैं. जैसे अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप अगर आपकी कांटा चुभेगा तो आपको दर्द नहीं होगा क्या? तो इसमें उत्तर मुझे पता है कि दर्द होगा, बट सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड rhetoric question. So in the same way, child asks questions to lamb about his creation, who made thee, who fed him, and who permitted the lamb to go by the stream, drink water, and get freedom. And he also asked questions about the source of delight. Who gave him happiness? Why is the lamb so much happy? Does this lamb get inspiration from this natural world, from this greenery, forest, or who is the main source behind this happiness that the lamb is enjoying? सॉफ्टेस्ट क्लॉथिंग, और जो लैम, जो मेमने की जो सॉफ्ट क्लॉथ है, जो मुलायम कपड़े हैं, उसकी जो ऊन है, हुली ब्राइट, वो चमक रही है, वूल की है. गेव दी सच अ टेंडर वॉइस, एंड द वॉइस ऑफ लैम्ब इज आल्सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स नॉट हार्श, कर्कश नहीं है, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, मेलोडियस. एंड दैट्स वाई चाइल्ड आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस टू लैम्ब about the source of his tender voice. Who gave you? Thee means you. Making all whales rejoice. whale यानी घाटिया. तुम्हारी आवाज से, जो तुम्हारी आवाज है वो संगीत की तरह लग रहा है. Your voice is just like music. It fills the whole valley, and the valley rejoice. The valley is full of delight because you sing songs, because when you speak, your voice seems like to be music. And who gave thee such a music, such a tender voice? Little lamb, who made thee? Then he asked the same question. Little lamb, who made thee? Does thou know who made thee? क्या तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारी रचना किसने की? तुम्हें ये वस्त्र किसने दिए, ये खुशी का आवरण, ये मुलायम ऊन किसने दी, ये तुम्हारी सुंदर आवाज़ तुम्हें किसने दी, इस जंगल में घूमने की तुम्हें इजाज़त किसने दी? हु परमिटेड यू टू ड्रिंक वाटर, टू ईट फूड, एंड टू हैव सच अ कवरिंग ऑफ डिलाइट एंड द सॉफ्टेस्ट वूल? हु मेड दी? हु क्रिएटेड यू? डज दाउ नो दीज क्वेश्चंस? द चाइल्ड नोज. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, दिस इज अ rhetoric kind of questions. So who created lamb? And why the child asked such a very simple questions to lamb? Will be answered in our next class. Thank you very much.